Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of this freshly traded in 2017 Mastercraft NXT22. As you can see, this boat has the black hull with the red accent and then the awesome silver metal flake, sitting on a tandem axle Mastercraft trailer. Surf system. Got the nice sea deck, swim deck here. Coming up into the boat. Nice step up. It's got the ski pylon for tubing and skiing. It's got full Bimini coverage. It's got the two tower speakers. It does have a fold down tower. Stepping on into the boat. It's got a nice playpen seating. As you can see, this boat's in great shape. Immaculate for 2017. The upholstery is amazing. Over here, we have the cockpit here where you do all your controls. It's got the Fusion stereo. Got the mirror. It's got a bolster seat, tilt steering wheel. Lots of storage under all these seats. Nice walkthrough. This even comes with the air dam door to close off here. Nice wide cockpit up here. Lots of room. The boat has pop-up cleats all the way around. This boat is equipped with the 5.7 Ilmor motor, so plenty of horsepower, 323 horsepower for surfing, wakeboarding, and skiing. 22 feet, seats 16 people, so plenty of room for all of you and your friends and family to get out on the lake. Come and check out this awesome 2017 NXT22 at MarineMax in Greenville, or you can check us out at MarineMax in Greenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, come and look at this NXT 2017 22-foot boat.